Hi there, Prince Lord here. I hope you're good and staying at home. So about 2 weeks back I shot a film. It's a very inspirational short film which against all odds you definitely must watch. Trust me, you can't miss it for anything. It's dazzlingly amazing. It will encourage you, inspire you, uplift you, and definitely make you see things differently. And the good news is, it's coming up on Wednesday, the 27th of May. We'll upload it on our YouTube channel and we'll send you the link on WhatsApp. We'll also send the link on our Facebook page and even on our Instagram. You can't miss it for anything. And what's going on? So you're shooting alone? You're excluding us? Just a second, let me sort this out. I'm just even telling the world, sorry about this. All alone trying to shoot something. Guys, you need to come and see this. Come and see what this guy's doing. Ivan, he's a bit. Oh, yes. You need to shoot it. Okay. All by himself. No, you didn't shoot that film alone. Guys, wait. And now, why is everyone here? I'm trying to shoot something professional here. The camera. And you guys are running it. What's wrong with you? You guys don't even exist. Like, yeah, man. Let's just play a film. No, wait. Okay. Yeah, let's play. Okay, let's just play the trailer. Not the film. Let's just play the trailer. Then we'll talk about this when we're done with all this. Come on, guys. Me and you come a long way. Let's work this out. Okay, so we'll play the trailer. Watch it. Woo!
Here we go.